you have an ink bottle that looks like this, you probably already realize that it's very prone to tipping over. But today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy hack that you can use to make your ink bottle more stable so that you can get to your dip pen without fearing an ink spill. So let's go. Hi little bees, and welcome back to our apiary. I'm Dr. B, and I made this video for you because recently when I unboxed my new glass dip pen, I was actually terrified of using this gorgeous pen with the ink that came in the box. You see, the bottle is so petite and so lightweight, and I was very worried that I would accidentally knock it over when I went to dip my pen into the ink. So in order for me to enjoy using my glass dip pen and to make it a more relaxing experience, I knew that I had to come up with an idea that would set my mind at ease, and you can too, with just a few simple supplies. You will need a tissue to open the ink bottle, a glass container which is slightly larger than the ink bottle, and some blue tack, or in this case white tack. Just remember that you'll need to first open the bottle and remove that little rubber stopper before you can do the next step. And the reason for this is if you try and put the bottle into the other little glass, you will not be able to get that rubber stopper off the bottle. Okay, so you've got to open it up first. Then you will need to take a small piece of the white tack, roll it into a ball, and then just very carefully attach it to the base of the ink bottle. Make sure that you do not tilt your ink bottle while you're doing this step, because then of course you're going to end up with an ink spill, which ironically you were trying to prevent in the first place. Then you take your little glass container and push the ink bottle with the white tack attached to its base down into the glass container. So this container needs to be glass so that you can see the bottle as you dip your pen into the ink. And here's another tip: when you are looking at ink to buy, if possible, try to find ink bottles which are wider at the base compared with the top of the bottle. When you have a bottle that is cylindrical in shape, it is going to be much more prone to tipping over than if you have a bottle which is wider at the base compared to the top. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this quick video will help you not to cry over, will help you prevent ink spills in your art studio. Nobody wants an ink spill to ruin their day, so have fun creating. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in the next video.